Hey there! Are you looking for a way to recover deleted posts like uploaded pictures or videos or posts on your Facebook page using your iPhone? If yes, here's the advanced guide on how to restore deleted posts on Facebook page with just one click. So, let's get started. To do that, open your Facebook page, tap on Menu, after that tap on Settings and Privacy, then tap on Settings, and tap on your page name. After coming to your page settings, scroll down, tap on Activity Log. Here you can see the Recycle Bin option. Tap on it, and now you will get your all deleted apps. Now select single or multiple. Tap on Restore, and your post will be restored on the newsfeed. So, this is how you can recover your deleted posts on your Facebook page. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions, then don't forget to ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.